What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, it is another beautiful Tuesday. A beautiful day to start a business. If you're looking for ways to make money online, you're looking for, things that you can definitely do to generate a secondary income, part-time, full-time, without working a second job. That's the main thing, I really talk about that because 2 jobs is for 2 people. I really preach that, so how exciting or how good would it feel for you to be able to sit in the comfort of your own home and be able to put your business on autopilot and generate a secondary income? How good would it feel to be sitting on your couch and you receive a $250 commission? How good would it feel to be sitting on your couch and receive a $100 commission? Even, a $40 commission. Those are always good things because that's money that you didn't have in your pocket, and it's always good to add up those funds. Profits, what we call it. Wages over profits. A lot of people prefer wages over profit. Profits over everything. At the end of the day, this is what we talk about. So yes, guys, I am into affiliate marketing. I do have multi-level marketing businesses as well, where you generate income off of others' efforts as well. But one thing about that as well is that when people do quit, income can go down, so you constantly have to replace people. So you got to have that mindset. You got to have this already understood in your head, is that I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna be a top recruiter, I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna do this, yada yada yada. You got to come in with your mindset. So the same as affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is not where you have to build a team. It's just going out and selling a product. So when you're selling a product, you're making your commission, so you go out and sell as many of these products as you want to make and sell, and you're going to earn a commission. So you don't have to go and build a downline or a team. You can go and build a sales funnel around the product and send traffic to it, do Facebook ads or social media ads around that product, and get eyeballs to it, and people will eventually join or purchase or whatever it is that you're doing with your business. So that's what I'm into. I'm into affiliate marketing. Also, I'm learning CPA. So I'm learning things that you can learn to how to generate on your own. And CPA is a thing that you don't have to go out and tell a lot of people what you're doing. So I'm just, I'm having a one-on-one. I'm having a conversation, guys. So I'm letting you guys know what I'm doing as a marketer right now. A lot of the businesses that I'm in, I'm not promoting them separately anymore. Everything that I'm promoting funnels. So they all are tied to each other, and you're going to create multiple streams of income. So if they're lower tier income streams, then you're going to have multiple low income streams. So then that way you're multiplying that income. So now you're not just getting one commission, you're getting multiple commissions, because everything ties into each other, from marketing systems on down to lead sources. How official could that be? And a lot of people don't understand this, or what they're going through when they're, joining these businesses, and people say, hey, we got a sales funnel, or we got a marketing system, we got a done-for-you system. That's literally what they're doing. They're putting together a done-for-you system for the whole team, so now people can go in and utilize the system. Now, the only thing about this is that you eventually want to start branding yourself. So you don't want to keep sending everybody to that same page, to the same websites that everybody is sending everyone to, because then people gonna be like, man, I already know what business this is, and I'm not gonna join you because my homeboy didn't already join. So no, I'm gonna join my homeboy before I join you. Boom, there you go. Unless you got the goods. When you got the goods, when you got the marketing system, you got the training, you got the actual Facebook group, the team backing, then you're good. And that's what I try to teach people, marketing systems, brand yourself, make things duplicatable for people when they join you, and say, when you join me, I'm gonna give you this training. I'm gonna also set you up with this marketing system that I've already created pages for. So the only thing you need to do is just tap in. Literally. Okay? So guys, 2019 is approaching upon us, and it's time for you guys to really lock arms, man, and start doing something. If you've been watching me for a long time, you've seen me go through a lot of programs, and now I'm just kind of feeling I'm over joining the flavor of the weeks. I still have my links to a lot of those programs. So here's the thing, I'm on to what people need, in their business, from marketing systems, lead sources, trainings, And these are going to be large income streams as well. Well, these are large income streams as well. So yes, I do have low tier income streams from $25, $100, $250. Then we have 500s on up. So yes, there's large income streams as well. And guys, the same effort that it takes to make a $35 commission, a $25 commission, a $45 commission, it takes the same amount of effort to make a $500 commission or a $250 commission. I mean, we're having a conversation right now, guys. I want to talk to you. So yes, that's why I say, you know, when I say, hey, this is what I got, the marketing funnels at the bottom. And then I also have, if you do have a job and you're looking to earn an additional $200 to $500 back in your paycheck, I have the links for those to show you. So I want to help you get money back in your pocket, and I also want to help you make money. So the choice is yours. The choice is yours. What is it gonna be? I mean, literally, I have people making we have people making some fantastic commissions, residual commissions. Sky's the limit, man. Sky's the limit. Christmas is coming. Get involved with something. Get involved with something, man. So here's the thing. I'm gonna drop those links at the bottom for you guys to check everything out. So I want you to get positioned. This your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.